Hello mga bossing sa ating construction professionals. This is Engineer Neil. First of all, I'd like to say thank you guys so much for showing your interest on AI-driven project management and construction workflow course natin. So this would be a fundamentals and meron po tayong workshop along the way sa ating course para may apply po talaga natin yung mga learnings natin on how we can actually use AI and yung ERP tools and yung mga templates na ibibigay ko po sa inyo on this course. So I'm very so excited to have you on board and can't wait to see how this course can actually transform the way you manage your projects. But heads up po, I have a few reminders lang. Alright, so here are the few quick steps lang natin to help you get started smoothly. Step 1 po natin is payment confirmation. Alright, remember this page? So kung ginamit po natin yung debit, credit card, or PayPal sa pag-checkout or pag-register natin, at this point, no further actions needed. However, kung ginamit po natin yung InstaPay, GCash, or Union Bank, or CBank sa pag-checkout, make sure po na we have to send a screenshot or proof of purchase to support at connectzapro.io or Engineer Neil's Facebook page, which is ito po, yung may blue mark check, para po ma-confirm na namin yung registration nyo. Alright, so once na na-receive na po namin yung payment nyo and na-verify sa backend, so you will receive this kind of email. Search nyo lang yung thank you and you will see that thank you for joining the AI-driven project management course. So meaning po at this point, no further action needed and your enrollment has already been confirmed po. And yung step 2 po natin is access your course. Alright? Access your course. Kasi po si system na yung magdidetect po niyan if confirm yung payment nyo, automatically yung system na po yung magki-create ng account nyo. So all you need to do is to log in. So i-click nyo lang po tong goconnectionpro.io/login and then mariredirect po kayo sa page na to. This page. Alright, so tatanungin nyo natin, ano ba yung password ko? So ang sinabi po dito, if you need to reset your password, you can do that here. So meaning po, na-create pa lang yung account natin, pero tayo po yung responsible to create our password. Alright, so pwede nyo pong i-click itong link na to reset your password, or lost your password. Yung iba po, nandito po sa page na to, pwede rin po lost your password. Alright? Pwede rin pong i-click nyo tong LMS login, then lost your password. Alright? So once na lost your password kayo, meron po kayong marireceive na email wherein meron pong ibibigay sa inyo ng unique link to create your password. And next, sabi dito, save these important links. Alright? For example, itong courses, wherein ito po. So kung gusto nyo pong isave to, ang gagawin lang po natin, isave po natin dito sa bookmark bar natin. So kung hindi po visible yung bookmark bar natin dito, remove ko muna ha. Kung hindi pa siya visible yung bookmark bar natin dito, you can do that by clicking these 3 dots, then bookmark and list, and then show bookmark bar. Alright, so 3 dots, bookmark and list, and then show bookmark bar. Alright, so nakita nyo na po yung ating bookmark bar. Ngayon, isasave ko yung link na to. So click the star, bookmark this tab, and then click nyo lang po itong folder pababa. And then choose another folder. So yung goal po natin dito is para ma-organize po yung mga links na sinisave natin is mag-create po tayo ng folder. For example, if you want to create a new folder, click this bookmark bar, then right-click, then new folder. Then ilagay lang po natin AI PM tools or AI PM course, for example. Alright? So nag-create ako ng AI PM course na folder wherein doon ko po ilalagay lahat ng mga links or important links na gusto ko ma-access later on. So save lang and then you will see now your AIPM course. So the rest po, login page, right click, new tab, then isa-save ko lang. bookmark bar. Make sure na nakatapat po siya sa AIPM course. Or you can actually choose another folder. For the sake of this tutorial, ilalagay ko na lang po siya dito sa AIPM course and save. Okay? Next po is your account page. So dito po nakasave yung mga account page natin. Open new tab and then star, then AIPM course and done. Alright, so paano ko ba malalaman kung successfully login ako? So you will see po icon here na nakapag-login na kayo. You will see an icon here at mariredirect po kayo dito sa my account na page. Wherein, dyan po nakalagay lahat ng mga enrolled courses nyo. So at this point po, pa-ignore na lang po ang artificial intelligence because yan po is a different course na lang po. Alright? So you will see live AI-driven project management and construction workflow workshop. So you can click that and then you will be redirected to this page. Alright? So yung courses po natin, no? Ito yung maging course content natin, yung welcome hanggang dito po sa download certificate. And so every module po, there are 5 lessons. Okay? And yung magiging navigation po natin sa ating LMS is we should start from top, from the welcome. Next is module 1 hanggang makarating po tayo dito sa download certificate. So, para po dun sa mga self-paced, mag-start po lahat tayo sa welcome kasi we cannot actually proceed sa welcome to module 1 if hindi tapos i-mark is complete si welcome. So, paano bang gagawin nun? So, simply click this welcome. This is our welcome page wherein dyan po natin nilalagay lahat ng mga important links at mga free resources ng pwede nating i-download. So, kunyari, if you want Excel sheets and mga cost estimates, AutoCADs, so dyan na po ilalagay natin sa welcome page, this page. Alright? So, para sa mga future events, if you want to join, I will be putting a link here sa welcome page na nakalagay na po kung saan pwede po tayong mag-join sa live sessions. For example, in this case, nakalagay po dito is live sessions from February 23 to 27. So dyan po, pag clinic po natin yan is automatically po na tayong mariredirect sa Zoom link. Okay? And then meron po tayo dito mga meron tayong mga links dito for ChatGPT, Gemini, yung mga AI tools na gagamitin natin dito. And it's still growing. Alright? And then nandito po yung project templates wherein ito po yon yung mga Excel, electrical, AutoCAD drawing, building forms, construction estimate, engineering program, plumbing, projects, and structural. But of course, since this is a project management, we're going to focus on project management. So that's a freebies na lang, no? And stay updated. We'll send an important updates, reminders, and links to your registered email. So what's on it, no? Make sure to check it in sa spam folder or sa ating promotion folder kung hindi natin ma-receive sa inbox. And next po is join Connect sa Pro Community. So dito ko po kasi nilalagay yung mga updates at saka yung mga important events and collaborations. Or you can actually join sa Viber natin. Alright, so regarding sa navigation ng LMS, so nakikita nyo po dito meron po tayong tabs here. So pwedeng i-close, pwedeng i-open. Click nyo lang po itong arrow. And then, you cannot actually proceed sa Module 1 if hindi tapos si welcome. Similarly, hindi nyo po ma-access si Module 2 kung hindi tapos yung welcome, Module 1, Lesson 1.1, 1.2 hanggang 1.5 kasi po linear yung course natin. Ibig sabihin, you are required to finish first from the top. Alright? So, paano ko ba i-mark as complete? Simply po, because itong sample ko po is completed na from the past sessions. So, nakalagay na po siya is next lesson na. Pero pag hindi nyo pa po na-mark as complete at hindi kayo makakaproceed sa next step, ang makikita nyo po is ito. Sample ng wala pang check. Yan, mark as complete. So, sa mga cellphone, no, you can find it at sa bottom. Meron din po ditong mark as complete. Yan. Similarly, dito sa taas, meron din pong mark as complete. Alright? So, yan po. Sa every modules po, there are 5 lessons. Sample dito sa module 1, meron po tayong lesson 4, 1.1 hanggang 1.5. And then sa module 2, meron pa tayong lesson 2.1 hanggang 2.5 and so on and so forth. And you can actually see the recordings, no, from the past sessions para sa mga instant access. You can actually view that in sa module mismo. For example, sa module 1, dito po nilalagay. Yan. Right? Para naman po sa mga lessons, itong mga lessons po sa ating mga boss, no, yung iba mas gusto po natin na nagbabasa na lang, you can actually navigate kasi ito po yung laman ng lessons natin. So pwede nyo po na lang siyang basahin. And you can actually print this one, no, para mas mabilis. All right? So that's it. If you have questions, again, if you have questions, feel free to send us a message sa support@connectapro.io or directly po mag-chat po kayo sa Facebook page natin. Yan, yung may blue mark check. Alright, so that's it for now. Looking forward to see you success. Thank you.